This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joseph Harris. Gorgeous first floor unit in beautiful Pine Key Condominium Resort. Open spacious floor plan, large bedrooms. Screened lanai. Pool and clubhouse. A short 10 minutes from downtown Fort Myers, this is an excellent location for commuters. Pictures posted are of a similar unit. Unit 101 has white appliances and Corian countertops, tile in main rooms and carpet in bedrooms. Great potential rental income potential. Located along the Pine Island corridor, this is a beautiful small Key West style community of 56 units. Pine Key Condominium Resort is in a rapidly expanding area, with multiple healthcare facilities nearby and within 5 minutes of retail centers that include Target, Bealls, and Bed, Bath, and Beyond, and many supermarkets. Unit is tenant occupied until March 31st. Call listing agent for all appointments, Bob Logan 215-768-6930.